Hey everyone, it's Tim here from the Finch Auto Group. I'm just sitting in our pre-owned 2018 Chevy Equinox Premier. I would just like to go over a few options with you. So one huge benefit of this vehicle, very low kilometers on it. So only 75,000 on it for a 2018. It's loaded with some nice safety features. So you have your lane assist here, you have your adaptive cruise control, and you also have your blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. Convenience-wise, we have ventilated seats, we have heated seats, we have heated steering wheel, we have built-in navigation, we have a wireless cell phone charger, a lot of nice options in this thing. You have the upgraded Bose speakers, full leather interior, the nice gold stitching, and you also have the WeatherTech mats in the front and second row. A nice panoramic sunroof all the way to the second row. And let me go over the exterior with you too. So it's in the nice bright white color. You got some chrome accenting on it, so the badges and rims. Very sharp. The body is in very clean shape. No dings, scratches, or rust I've noticed. It is an all-wheel drive option. So like I said, the Equinox Premier. You have backup camera, backup collision sensors, remote trunk, remote start. So just 2 clicks on the fob for the remote trunk, and then you hold for the remote start. There's your rear hatch. It does do a 60-40 split for flipping the seats down for some extra storage. 2 clicks to close. So again, everyone, we're looking at a 2018 Chevy Equinox Premier, all-wheel drive, very low kilometers. Give us a call today, book your appointment, and we'll set you up for a nice test drive. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We'll talk to you soon.